Hollywood actor Rebel Wilson has denied bullying or harassing colleagues in her evidence at a defamation trial against her in Sydney. The movie star is being sued by Charlotte MacInnes, the lead actress in Miss Wilson's film The Deb. Lydia Feng is following the case.
The Hollywood A-lister took to the stand just before 11 this morning in Sydney and has been grilled by Ms MacInnes' lawyer Sue Chrysanthou SC. Rebel Wilson is accused of defamation by Charlotte MacInnes, the lead actress in Ms Wilson's film The Deb. The 26-year-old singer claims Ms Wilson defamed her in 4 social media posts which allege she made a sexual harassment complaint and then retracted it to further her career. Now, Ms MacInnes alleges Ms Wilson defamed her by suggesting she was a sellout and a liar who recanted a complaint about one of the film's producers, Amanda Ghost, in return for further career opportunities with Ms Ghost. Now, the case centres around mainly this bathroom incident that occurred in 2023. Ms Ghost and Ms MacInnes went swimming at Bondi Beach, and then Ms Ghost had a medical episode we heard in court to the cold water, and then they went back to Ms Ghost and Ms MacInnes' apartment in Bondi and had a bath there. Ms MacInnes told the court last week that she never made a complaint about the incident and didn't walk back anything. Wilson alleges MacInnes changed her story and is seeking to prove that this is true to the civil standard on the balance of probabilities. Now, under cross-examination today, Sue Chrysanthou put it to Ms Wilson that she mistreated a number of women involved in the Deb. But Ms Wilson replied, "I don't believe I've ever mistreated a woman, and there were no complaints ever raised against me on the Deb or any time in my 25-year career." Ms Chrysanthou went on to ask, "Rather than champion Ms MacInnes, I want to suggest to you that you bullied and harassed her privately and publicly." And Rebel Wilson responded, "That's absolute nonsense." The court then saw some text messages today that was from Ms Wilson, and that showed how she was, I guess, unhappy that she wasn't credited as a producer at one stage of the film. And there's been more evidence as well today looking at a smear campaign, an alleged smear campaign against one of the producers, Amanda Ghost.
OK, going forward, what's expected this afternoon, tomorrow?
Well, Ms Wilson is, as I mentioned, in the stand today, and there's more questions no doubt being asked this afternoon. And tomorrow she's expected to continue there. Ms Wilson's wife, Ramona, was expected to appear before court, but we heard today that's not going to be the case because she's heavily pregnant, so she's been excused from court. The whole case is expected to be wrapped up by the end of this week.